Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Prisma. Today we are going to learn about how to delete a record in the Prisma. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So these all of the videos I have already created. Go and watch it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section for that one. So now we are going to work on the delete the single records. Okay, so let's get started with that one. So delete, get a file, delete record single record.js. Let's go and create that one file. Okay, so here we go with this one, delete records, and let's try to copy this one and add it. Though here you can see, so here you need to pass the id, which id you want to delete. So this is the default, that is Prisma. I have already told you about the required Prisma clients. You need to install the npm package, then initialize this one Prisma client, delete user by id. So you need to pass the user id, and the code is prisma.user.delete where id user id. If the user is deleted, then it will log this one. If there is something error, it will log this one, and after that you will go with the disconnect that one. Okay, so I want to delete a user by its id 1. So let's go and check this one. Okay, so delete single record. So currently you can see this is this record I'm going to delete. So let's node, so delete single record, and it is deleted. That is technical Rajni John. Let's fetch this one. Only two records are there. Okay, so this is how you can delete a single record in Prisma. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.